You want to try it? Do you want to try it? Yeah. Logan, come here. You want to try one? No? Want to try one? You want to try it? No, you spit it out. I don't want that. That don't taste like my mom's milk. You want to take a lick? Oh, look at you. It's a good boy. What a good boy. Look at you. Want to try some of this? Yeah. You took a little lick. Good boy. Oh, what a good job. What a good boy. Good boy, Logan. Where you going? Where are you going? Come here. You're making a mess, silly baby. We're making a mess. Whoops. What's he doing, Lexi? What's he doing, Lexi? What's he doing, Zoe? Huh, Zoe? What's he doing? Oh. What's he doing, Lexi? What's Emily doing? What's Emily doing? What's Emily doing over there? Huh? Emily being silly? She being silly. Her over there being silly. Get her, Logan. Get him. Oh, he got knocked over. Aww. See, I'm not as tough as the big girls.